Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply, your go-to channel for everything you need to know about classic design and vintage charm. Today, we're diving into how to transform your home with classic light fixtures, a simple yet impactful way to elevate your space. Whether you're starting a full home makeover or just looking for a few elegant updates, we've got you covered. Transforming your home with classic light fixtures is easier than you might think. The right lighting can elevate your space, making it more inviting, functional, and visually stunning. Let's explore some of the most iconic fixtures and how to use them together. First, use chandeliers or a statement piece that draw the eye upward, adding grandeur to dining rooms, living areas, and even bedrooms. Opt for a crystal or wrought iron chandelier for a truly timeless look. Pairing a chandelier with wall sconces can create layers of light while enhancing architectural details. For example, place sconces on either side of a mirror or along a hallway to complement your chandelier's glow. Pendant lights are another versatile option that are perfect for kitchens and breakfast nooks. You can arrange a series of pendants over a kitchen island to provide task lighting or hang a single bold pendant over a dining table to anchor the space. To harmonize with other fixtures, choose finishes that echo those in your chandeliers or sconces for a consistent design scheme. And be sure not to overlook floor and table lamps. These portable pieces allow you to add warmth and intimacy to any room. Position a pair of matching table lamps on nightstands for a cohesive bedroom look, or place a floor lamp near a reading nook to create a cozy ambiance. These fixtures not only provide functional lighting, but also add layers of style that personalize your home. Finally, consider the role of exterior lighting in extending your home's style beyond its walls. Lantern-style fixtures near entryways or garage doors exude charm, while pathway lights guide guests with a welcoming touch. Coordinating outdoor fixtures with your interior choices can unify your home's overall aesthetic, ensuring every detail feels intentional. By combining different types of classic fixtures and layering light sources, you can craft a home that's both beautiful and practical. Each piece contributes to the atmosphere, creating a timeless design that's uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and inspiration. Check the description below for links to all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Antique Hardware Supply.